Hi, Janine. Ginger here. I wanted to do a video on how to find things on our website. This is a new button we've got here called Our Latest Tutorials. Do you see that? And right now, these are some of the later tutorials that we've got. This is Mallard Ducks we just released. And if you keep scrolling on down, go to page 2. These new bite size are really great. Okay. So we did some swans. We've got a chicken. We did let's see, I think it's page 3 here. Uh, we came up with, where's our birdies? This section right here, birds on a barrel. Okay. So you can see where you've got, if you're already a red or blue member, you push there. Okay. And then you can see where you've got the reference for our traceables, the reference that I used, and then also the companion. Here's the companion one. Okay. So there's the reference for that bird. Okay. Now, that being said, let me just take you over here. We come back up to home, like back here, home. We can go to home, or we could actually go from there. You could also type up here at the top of birds. Okay, it's another way to find things. Birds. And here are some. Oh, there's a little toucan. There's the birds you did. This was the printed the bird hop. Remember, we did a lot of bird hops. Here's the one with the sparrows, 3 parrots. We have a lot of pages of birds. We've done a lot of birds. One of my favorites is are these parrots. Um, Spider the parrot, and you can see where that's a nice lesson. Here's the reference and traceable, and again, that's a very cute, easy lesson. Okay. Now, the other way to find, you can go through all of those that way, or you can go under lesson listing, visit our lessons for subject and size. So now we come back down here. This would be under animals, and then we would keep scrolling on down till we got to the bird section. Animals, water, animals, fish, animals, cats, birds, animals, birds. Click here. 39 tutorials for the birds, all right? And these are a combination of the YouTube ones. Flamingos, that was a really good one if you never did that. That was one I did on YouTube, but that is such a good video. We got the mallard duck. We've got some peacocks. Uh, let's keep scrolling on down. Little birds with berries we did last year. Here's one with an owl. The parrots of the Caribbean. That was one of my favorite ones. Of course, we have the penguin jamboree I thought was really cute we did last year. This is the next page. And then you've got puffins. You've got redbirds in winter, red cardinals. Uh, Peacock, again, spider the parrot. And then for the bird hop paintings, we did with cinnamon, and I did a thing on YouTube where we did bird hops. I like the parrot and the sunset, by the way. I like that one. I like the printed bird hops, the bird hop three, number 2. And you finish off with the whimsical owls. So those are our selection of birds that we've done. This was one of I really love this one we did on the bird hop. It was the bird with the brush, that kind of thing. I think it was cute. So that's pretty much our collection of birds. But regardless of the subject, if you were to type in waterfalls, you'd actually have to type it in right. This is our search engine definitely is you got to have the spelling right for this. Waterfalls. Da, da, da. Okay, so that look here's an example of waterfalls and how pictures you would never think to look for. We have so many beautiful tutorials on waterfalls and that's the kind of thing where you've got really a nice way to find it that way. But our most comprehensive search is is lesson listings. Again, I'm going to go back to viewing lessons by subject and size. And then I would say landscapes. Okay. And then I would say, then you've got landscapes with bridges, with buildings, with clouds, with deserts, with mountains, with gardens, landscapes with trees, flowers, snow. 29 different snow types. Probably where you live, you wouldn't necessarily want a snow one, but nonetheless, this is how you find things. And I'm telling you what, we've got so many tutorials, it's hard to know about them all, but I think this is a very nice way to find things. Remember, homepage, the fastest one is our latest tutorials, and that shows you what the latest ones we just released are. So I hope that that's helpful. And remember, we've got the shows on Monday. This Monday, we're going to be doing a fall scene with a waterfall. Um, but I hope you have fun with these, and I'm here to help. So let me know if this was helpful, and always here to answer your questions.